if I'm setting up a VPC, if I'm creating infrastructure as code because I don't have expertise in that space and I'm using the LLMs to generate that and it creates infrastructure to me, how would I know that it's now open for anybody to access?
To me, I think this highlights one of the biggest risks we see is the models really don't have a good sense of things like what are the security implications of these things? What is secure by default? What you can't expect from them is that they're going to generate things that are secure by default necessarily. Like you asked it for an S3 bucket, it's probably going to generate a public S3 bucket, which might be what you wanted, but might not be what you want. And so I think that kind of a nuance to your point, that combustibility here is that's a one line difference in configuration, whether you said private is equal to true or private is equal to
Yeah,
false, or you omitted it and it defaulted to true, right?
yeah,
So it's not the difference between a bad thing happened and a good thing happened is not the number of characters being a lot or the logic really being wrong. It's just you missed a declarative private equals true and it had unintended consequences.